You don't need a $50,000 food truck to start selling food. People are building real weekend food businesses out of their own kitchen with machines that cost less than a used bicycle. These 5 machines can get you started fast, and the last one is the kind of thing that makes a small setup look like a real food stand. Today, we're going through the top 5 cheap machines to start a food truck-style business from home fast. I'll leave the links to everything in the description below, so check that out if you want to grab any of these. If this is your kind of content, go ahead and subscribe now. 1. Portable countertop griddle. Have you ever seen how much food a small griddle can crank out in one shift? A portable countertop griddle is one of the most strategic mini machines for making money from home because it's the backbone of half the food truck menu you can think of. Burgers, quesadillas, breakfast sandwiches, grilled cheese, smash burgers, you name it. You just plug it in, heat it up, and start cooking directly on the flat surface. It usually costs $40 to $80. A basic smash burger costs around $1.50 to $2 to make, and typically sells for $6 to $9 at a local pop-up or market stand, so the margins are strong from day one. Someone running a weekend stand a few hours a day could realistically bring in $100 to $250 in a single session once there's a steady flow of customers. The best marketing angle is local Facebook groups and weekend markets, where a simple smash burger or grilled cheese menu sells itself fast and cheap. Next up is the machine that opens up your whole fried food menu. 2. Compact deep fryer. Do you love the idea of selling the stuff people actually crave at a food stand? Fries, chicken tenders, mozzarella sticks? A compact deep fryer is one of the most profitable mini machines for making money from home because fried food has some of the best margins in the entire food business. You fill it with oil, set the temperature, and drop in your food until it's golden and crispy. It's usually $50 to $90. A basket of fries costs maybe 75 cents to $1 to make and commonly sells for $4 to $6, which is a huge markup for something this simple. Someone selling fries and a couple of fried sides on weekends could add another $150 to $300 a month fairly easily. The best marketing angle is pairing it with your griddle items. Fries as a side to your burgers instantly boosts your average order size. By the way, if you're enjoying this, tap subscribe. I've got a lot more of these coming. 3. Double burner portable propane stove. Can you imagine having full stovetop cooking power without needing a kitchen at all? A double-burner portable propane stove is one of the most flexible mini machines for making money from home, since it lets you cook soups, rice bowls, pasta, or sauces on the spot, wherever you set up. You connect a small propane tank, light the burners, and cook just like you would at home. It's usually $50 to $100. Ingredient costs vary by dish, but a hearty bowl meal often costs $2 to $3 to make and sells for $8 to $12 at markets or pop-up events. Someone running a rotating bowl or soup menu on weekends could bring in $200 to $400 a month once regulars start coming back for it. The best marketing angle is variety. A rotating weekly special keeps people checking your page to see what's cooking next. Don't forget, I've got the link to this one and the rest down in the description. 4. Countertop food warmer holding cabinet. Ever wondered how food stands keep everything hot and ready without cooking to order every single time? A countertop food warmer or holding cabinet is one of the most underrated mini machines for making money from home because it lets you pre-cook in batches and keep everything at serving temperature, which speeds up your line dramatically during busy rushes. You just load your cooked food inside, set the temperature, and it stays ready to serve. It's usually $60 to $120 depending on size. This one doesn't sell food directly, but it protects your profit by cutting down wasted or cold food and letting you serve more customers per hour, which directly increases how much you can sell in a single event. Someone running a busy weekend stand could realistically serve twice as many customers per hour with one of these compared to cooking everything fresh to order. The best marketing angle is speed. No wait or grab-and-go messaging draws in customers at busy events who don't want to stand in line. And now, the machine that might be the most fun addition to the whole setup. 5.
Hot dog roller machine. Have you ever seen those spinning hot dog rollers at a real food stand and wondered how affordable they actually are? A hot dog roller machine is one of the most creative mini machines for making money from home because it turns a super cheap product into a constantly visible, constantly selling item. The rollers themselves are basically a walking advertisement for your stand. You load hot dogs, sausages, or even taquitos onto the rollers, and they slowly rotate and stay warm and ready all day. It's usually $30 to $60. A hot dog costs around 75 cents to $1.25 to make and typically sells for $3 to $5. And because it requires almost zero prep time per sale, it's one of the fastest moving, lowest effort items you can add to a stand. Someone running this alongside a griddle setup could easily add $50 to $150 a day in extra sales just from impulse buys. The best marketing angle is visibility. Placing the roller where people can see it spinning draws in customers who weren't even planning to buy anything.
So there you have it. 5 machines that can take you from cooking for friends and family to genuinely running a small food business from your own kitchen or a simple stand. You don't need all 5 to get started. Even the griddle alone can get your first sale this weekend. If you want to check any of these out, I've got every link down in the description below. And if you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe. I've got a lot more home business ideas coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.